Oh no!
Oh no!
Miela, what are we going to do today? Is it a surprise?
Yeah.
What do we do for surprises?
Coin.
You going to close your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, take my hand. Lead the way. This way, this way. Wait. Stop. Take my other hand. Wait, keep your eyes closed. Get on in. What is that? Thundercats!
It'll be Mama.
Who do you want?
This.
You want Mumra?
Yeah.
Is he your favourite?
Yeah.
Really? Look, there's Chitara, Lionel, and Tigra. The Sword of Omens.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so what do you want me to open first?
Mama.
Mumra, okay, 2 seconds. Miela, what does Mumra say?
Ha ha ha.
Ancient spirits of evil. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Is that
Ha ha ha. Bye bye.
Hey Chitara,
Hello.
how are you today?
Here, I got my pig.
You got your stick.
Oh, hey, honey.
Hey, you found a little Sword of Omens.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, honey.
yeah, you're standing. It's tiny, isn't it?
Hello. Oh, hey, Dad.
Hey Chitara, me and Tiger are going to get some lunch. Are you okay to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back. Chitara! It's Mumra! Oh no! Ancient spirits of evil, transform this decayed form to Mumra, the ever-living! Yeah, look! Shh! Ah! Oh no! He's gonna get Chitara! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, the pony's too big for me! You're a pony! I will banish you, ponies! Banish you! Where's Chitara? I'm going to kidnap her. Yes, I will. Come back here, Chitara. Come back here. Oh. Aha! Oh look, Miela! Mumra's got Chitara! Oh no! They got Chitara! You're gonna need Lionel and Tiger to save him! What does Lionel say when he needs to call for his friends? Oh no, look, there's Lionel! Thunder! Thundercats! Oh! I'll save you, Chitara! Oh, I dropped my Sword of Omens! No! I can't get to it! I'm gonna need you, Tigra! I'm gonna need you! I'm on it, Lionel. I will get the Sword of Omens. I've got your Sword of Omens. Thank you, Tigra. Oh no! Hey, Tigra, did you save the day?
No.
Right, we need to save Chitara. She's in trouble. Hey, where's Mumra taking her to his evil lair? Oh! Ah!
Hey, my man! Oh no!
Do you know what happens when Mumra sees his own reflection? What does he do? When he sees his own reflection, he doesn't like it, does he? He runs away scared, doesn't he?
Yeah,
So I'm going to show you his reflection. Hey, look, there's your reflection! In the glass! Ah! I'll get you, Mumra!
No. Is that me?
Oh no!
Mama! That's you!
Hey, Tigra, we need a better plan.
Ha ha! Ah! Look, Mama! Ha ha!
better plan.
Ah! Ha ha! Ha 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 ha! I died here. Ha ha ha! Ah! Ha ha
Oh no!
Ah!
Aha! Let's get Chitara.
Me.
Oh, Mumra! What are you doing? You taking a drink?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, hi.
you're tired. Go back to your tomb then, Mumra. Goodbye.
I need that.
Right, we're all going to sit here and have our dinner. Oh, I'm so glad you saved the day, Tiger.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Nano.
Hey, yes, I'm Lionel.
Bye, Mama. Hi, Nana.
Did Mumra take Chitara?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? What about you, Tiger? What are we going to do?
Hey, Day.
We're going to save the day.
A dinner.
Pajama Mumra, can you help us?
Yeah.
Will you tell us the secret way into the lair?
Yeah.
Okay, Pajama Mumra, lead the way. Let's go. You got her. You got her. Bring her back, Pajama Mumra. Well done, Pajama Mumra. We have to watch out for evil Mumra. Oh my goodness! It's evil Mumra! He's come back to take Chitara again! I will fight him. Oh no, he's stolen Pajama Mumra! Chitara, what can you do? I'll have to go and save the day. Hey Tiger, can you save the day this time?
Yeah.
Okay, go quick, Pajama Mumra. Save the day! Oh no, I've got Tiger. What will we do? Pajama Mumra, what are we going to do? They've stolen everyone. Now I'm on my own. What will I do? I know what I'll do. Thunder! 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 Thundercats! Oh! Come and fight me, Mumra! Come and be brave and fight me down here. Come and face me, Mumra.
No.
Bring back Pajama Mumra, Chitara, and Tiger, or else. Or I will smack your bottom, Mumra. There's Pajama Mumra. I've saved Pajama Mumra. Now give me back Chitara. Oh, there's Chitara. Give me back Tiger. Now come and face me, Mumra. Come and face me now if you're brave enough.
No, I got Homie.
You got the ponies?
Yeah.
No, not the ponies. I will strike you down.
No. Thank you.
Oh, we got the ponies. Be gone, evil Mumra. Be gone. Oh no. Oh. Aha! I am victorious. Your wings are broken. You can't fly. Oh. I will not give up. I'm Lord of the Thundercats. Here's your reflection, Mumra. In my sword.
Another hit.
Oh, that's tough work fighting, isn't it, Mumra? Yes, it's evil work. Well, I'm glad we're sitting down having a drink together. It's all good now. What about you, Tiger? Delicious. Pajama Mumra? Oh, yes, delicious. Chitara, are you okay?
Yeah.
Excellent. Miela, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, they all enjoying the juice?
What have my hit?
You got your whip, okay. And we fixed Mumra's wings. So he can fight crime no more. Ancient spirits of evil. Transform. Ah! What do you see?
How?
Here comes Mumra. Oh! Oh!
Hello,
Mumra.
I love you.
You love me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what is love?
Hit that.
I'm evil. I'm not supposed to know what love is. You've melted my heart. I'm gonna fly away happy.
Hey!
Say bye to Mumbra.